Aluminium fuel tank repairs. Just filled it with water. Hopefully it won't blow up on me. Okay, let's see what happens here. So that's the leak. Unfortunately this has been sitting there for about an hour now. But anyway, we'll blow the water out. Obviously it's below the water line, so I'm not sure what will happen. 120 amps on the TIG. You can actually see the water coming out there. We'll get set up. I'll give it one last blow when I'm ready to fire. Set that on the old small block there. Nope, that's not going to work. Forget that. Okay, this is attempt number 3. I've got 140 amps. I've got the water level below the weld level. I've got the 5/16 hose disconnected at the other end and sitting up, so hopefully any excess pressure will blow out there. Well, assume it's not an explosion, because obviously that'll be more than fit out the hose, but let's see what happens. Shitting myself. That's the hole. I've just picked that up, so I think we'll fill that a little bit. Well, we got fucking lucky. Welded very nicely. Did spit a little bit of water at the end then. But all in all, we're still alive. Of course I will give that a pressure test before putting it back in the vehicle, but for now that'll do.